Okay, now it's going. Alright, everyone. This will be my first video, on this setup. And I'm trying to get where you can see most of it. I don't have a tripod yet, so I'm using this little phone holder that I found from Dollar Tree. And so I'm just trying to make sure y'all can see most of what I'm doing. And see how that goes. And hopefully the videos will get better as I'm able to buy better equipment. But for now, this is the setup. Alright, I have my binder out. And I'm gonna, because I'm kind of saving and behind and in debt, I will be using the little what are these called? The coin prop monies from Angela Marie 888. It's about $5 worth. So I'm just gonna see how it works out with this. See what's the best way to do it. So if anyone has tips and tricks and all that good stuff, let me know. Also today we will be putting my change in my piggy bank. I found it at a thrift store. It says Old Age Survival Fund, and I just thought that was like really funny. And he's cute. He needs a name. So I thought about just doing Mr. Pig, but I kind of want something cuter. So if y'all have any suggestions for names, let me know. There's already change in here. I don't remember how much, but we're gonna go ahead and put change inside of him. I have 25, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 85. So we're gonna put 85 cents in him today. And probably when he's full, I'll do a full count. But for right now, we filled him up. And he's gonna go back in the corner with my dice jar. Alright, so I have 6 challenges. They're probably supposed to be big numbers, but like I said, I'm on a budget, so I'll be doing smaller numbers, like 25 cents, 50 cents. I am also losing weight, so with losing weight, there's the fun for new clothes. So I actually designed this one, if you can see it. This is my Savings and Style game. It's a dice game, but I'm not really sure how I want to do it. I don't know if I want to make it a race or just save for every line marked out. So we'll just, see how it goes. But if you save it based on the number of dice and how many dots are in the dice, you can save up to $105. But that's only if you want to. And it's just super cute. And it's available on my Ko-fi for free. So that will be my clothes fund. I also have 2 cats, Pepper and Reese. And this little savings challenge that I'll be doing for my cats is from Budget with Amanda. I believe it was free on her Ko-fi. It's very cute. I love cats. So I have this one. And I have this one from her too. Oops, back that up a bit. I have this one from her too. I believe this one was free. I don't know if it's still on her Ko-fi though, because I do know that some of the people I follow, they like to, refresh their Ko-fis. And then this is also one that I downloaded from her. Again, cats, because I have 2 cats and cat toys and cat food, and the vet is all really expensive. So, and then 2 other challenges I have that are kind of springy. These are from my Ko-fi, and they are for free. But it's Little Goose, and you're feeding the goose, and you can either do it as a race or however you would like to do it. But I'm going to be using it because it's kind of springy and it's cute. And I'll probably make each of the icons like 25 or 50 cents just to be able to use it and get through it. And my last challenge that I'm using right now until I can download more is this one, Buzzing About Savings. It's on my Ko-fi for free as well. I have it set as a roll D6 and save, but again, you can make it your own. You can save $1 per box, or 25 cents, 50 cents, however you would like to do it, or do the roll D6 and save. For right now, I will be using the prop monies to be doing this and see how it goes, but I may change it up as I continue to work on it. And that's that one. All right, and I have my dice. I have a D6, and it's green, and I love it, and it's shiny. But honestly, my D4 is probably my favorite because, let me see if I can get it to focus. There's a little duck in there, if you can see that. Just a cute little duck in there. Oh, yeah, that's better. Cute little duck. That's my D4 that I will be using to see how many prop monies that I can put on stuff, because I don't have a D3. I plan on saving up for one of those. Alright, the money that I have saved to put in here, it's all dollar bills. And I'm gonna count this real fast. And we have 1, 2, 3, those are crispy. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I have $14 that I can use to go through these challenges. Again, I'm still getting used to my setup. I'm still, working through things, but that is what I plan to do. So I guess we'll start with the D6, and we will roll it. And this is a 4. So, let's see. If I do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I can do it like that. So that makes the present fund with the cats number 4. So let's now roll to see how many little prop monies that it's gonna get. And we have a 1. So this is gonna get 1 little prop monies, and I'm just gonna lay it on top. So I think that's how I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna do it. Eventually I'll have a dice tower, but for now, this is what we're doing. Alright, so that's number 2, which is the geese. So now roll a D4. Ooh, that is a 3. So we're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. Alright, that's good. Hopefully it'll land on one of all of them, and that is a 1. So we have the 1. How many little prop monies is it gonna get? And also 1, so put that there. And we're just moving along. I really hope y'all can see everything. I'm trying to, let me see if I can just turn y'all a little bit to be able to see. Hopefully y'all can see. All right, that did land on a 1. And I put the 1. So, I have to roll again. I probably just rolled and I don't remember rolling, but it's okay. So, all right, so we're at a 2. Just start from there. And we got a 4. Okay. Number 2 getting the big monies. So, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 prop monies going on to number 2. Let's roll again. And we got 1 again. Okay. 3, 5, and 6 are not getting any love so far. And that is another 1. So we will put that over there. Alright, let's keep going. I'm going to go until the prop money runs out. Okay, that's a 2. I might have to do like what Bookish Mama Budgets does and recycle through my dice and find one that doesn't land on the main numbers all the time. Alright, so that was 2 and they got 1. Ooh, 3, yes, okay, 3. Let's get you some money. We got 2. Alright, so 1 and 2. I hope everyone's having a really good Sunday. I work an overnight shift, so, oops. I think I forgot to roll this one. 1 second. Oh, it's a 3, and I had rolled a 2, so we're just gonna go ahead and put another 2 prop monies on number 3. Alright, 5 and 6, come on. You might not get no love today. And it's 3 again. So, I'm gonna just roll again because I really want to get a 5 or a 6. And that's a 2. Okay, well. One more time for good luck. If it's still a 2 or a 3, I'm just gonna give it to him. And that's a 3. Okay, yeah, so next video, my green dice will probably get put up. Switch it out for one of my other ones. Oh, yes, a 6. Okay. Let's see. Come on, give me something good. That's a 1. Okay. So we still have 3 prop monies left. So let's see if we can land on that 5. Alright, come on, 5. And, oh! Y'all, look at this. It is a 5. I'm so excited. Okay. Let's see what we can give. Number 5. And a 1. Okay, so at least they got love. Everything got love today. And we just have 2 more prop monies. And that's going to go on 4. And it landed on a 4, but I don't have 4. So I'm just going to give them the 2 for number 4. Alright, so that is that. Let me put these up here out of the way. Alright, let's see. And of course, if I have $1 in prop money, the savings challenge will get $1. But if not, they will roll over into the next time. I should have got my sticky notes. But let's see. I think I have a piece of scrap paper somewhere that I can write this down if I need to. So let me just fold this real fast. This was my paper to write down my debts. So we are going to write this down so that we know what's what. Alright, so number 1, which is, look at this cat. Cat. Number 2 is geese. Number 3 is bees. Number 4 is present fund. Number 5 is cat paw prints. Just so I can remember, because my binder is not fully set up yet. This is all like for my bills, and I need more of that. Okay, number 6 is savings. In style. Alright, okay, let's see. Number 1 got 50 cents. Alright, so not quite $1 yet, so I am marking that on 5/4. Ooh, happy Star Wars Day for those that celebrate. That we got 50 cents on that. Okay. Alright, yeah, number 2 was definitely the big one. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, which is $1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, which is also $1. So we got $2 for the geese. So I will set that on there so we know that that's how much, and then we will mark off the fruit on the geese to feed them. And since they're 25 cents, we'll be able to mark off 8 items. Alright, let's move on to number 3, which is the bees. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, which is $1. So let me get $1. There's my $1 and 25 cents. So I will write down that it has a 25-cent rollover. Alright, and this one has 1, 2, 3, so that's 75 cents. Write that down. Number 4 has, nope. Wait, did I miscount that? Oh, I did. Okay. I just wrote it in the wrong spot. Number 2 didn't have any rollovers, so let me fix that. I was like, what? No rollover on that one. Okay. Number 5 did just get 25 cents, but at least it's something, and that's gonna roll over to the next time that I do this. As well as number 6 also got 25 cents, which is a rollover. In theory, I could probably play again. I could, because I still have money. But I don't want to make this video too long, because I'm not the greatest editor ever, so I'm not exactly sure how to, edit out the white noise and everything. Okay, so do I want to play again? That is the question. Alright, first let's do the marking off of this. I do not have my markers with me, so I am just going to use my pencil, and I am going to color in 4 squares, or honeycomb, because it's saving with bees. So so that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is what we colored in today. Super cute. Okay, and now for the geese, we have 1, 2, that's 25. cents a piece. So we are able to mark out, oh, I can do each of the little fruits. So I think that's what we're gonna do to make this last longer. I'm gonna cross out the little fruits as 25 cents a piece. So that's $50, $1, $50, $1. Okay. So we got 1 strawberry, 2 strawberry, 3 strawberry, 4, 5 strawberry, 6 strawberry, 7 strawberry, 8. All right, so that is this much marked off. Awesome. Okay, so I'll put this here, and this came from the bees. All right, so we can totally play again if that is, because we still have, it's only $3, so we still have 11. Get out some paper clips. Yeah, I think I'm gonna play again. I have been working on a new challenge. It's kind of a big challenge that I'm gonna put on my Ko-fi. It's basically dominoes with cats on it, and you basically save the money per domino. I did post a preview of it on, I believe I did it on YouTube, but it's definitely on my Ko-fi. I do have a membership available, but I'm not sure if I want to. Pardon that noise. That was my cat. She is spazzing out. Yeah. Can you hear her meow? Yeah, that one's Pepper. It looks like she's playing with a piece of fuzz. But yeah, she's kind of zooming right now. Alright. So we still have $11. So I think I'm going to play again. See if we can get through this faster. I am going to close this for now and move this over. This is my savings binder with my Taylor Swift stickers on it. And I just think it's neat and fun, and I like the color. Alright, so let me move this to right here. Let me see if I can move some of these up so y'all can see better. I want y'all to be able to see. I'm gonna move my little list over here. Let me see. Can y'all see better if I do this? Oh yeah, y'all can see better. Okay, this is what we're doing. Alright, so I don't know if you can tell, but my brain's like all over the place, so nothing is like fully focused. I think I was saying earlier that I hope everyone had a good Sunday. I work overnight, so most of my Sunday was spent, ooh, that's a 6. Most of my Sunday was spent sleeping, and then I went to my dad's and I showed him how to make fried eggs and scrambled eggs, because he's not the greatest cook in the world, and he said that his eggs kept on turning into omelets. So it was a fun little adventure today. Number 6 got 4, and yeah, so I just hung out with him for a little bit, and then I came home and I cooked dinner with my brother Ryan. I live with my brothers. They're my roommates. My brother Ryan is my baby brother, and my brother Jacob is like older than Ryan, but he's still my baby brother because, you know, I'm the oldest out of 6 kids. But yeah, so ooh, I think I'm gonna roll that again just because it hit the other dice. And ooh, got a 5. Okay, 5 and 6 are getting love this time. And that's another 4. All right, let's go. I don't know if anyone's watched it yet, but the new movie on Netflix that is, that's a 5 again, that has Michael B. Jordan, and it has a voice actor, and it's called Swapped. If you have not watched that, like, watch it. It is so cute. 5 got a 1. And it's super cute. I loved it. The artwork in it is stunning, and I'm a sucker for good animated movies. Alright, that's a 4. And I got a 1. Awesome. Okay. So, but yeah, so it's just been a very chill day. If you hear the random scratching in the background, that is my cat Reese playing with my shoe. I don't know why, but she loves my shoe. And she likes to kick it and flip it and fight it, and yeah. She spends most of the day doing that. Alright, so that was a 6 and it got 3. So that's 1, 2, 3. Alright, now 1, 2, and 3 are not getting love this time, but that's fine. Oh, I take it back. There's a 2. Roll that. That's a 1. Okay. So, but yeah, I'm excited to be able to show y'all what I'm doing. That's 6 again. I'm not doing that. 3. There we go. Okay. I'm trying to give everybody some love here. And that's a 1. Even if it's just 1, you know, just to, that is a 5. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's a 2. That's okay. It hasn't gotten a lot of love. And that's 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have 2 prop monies left. I'm gonna see. Come on, dice. Come on, dice. And that's a 4. Alright, let's see if 4 is getting all of it. Yep, that's a 2. Alright. Okay, so that is awesome. Okay, let's do this again. 1, got nothing. The geese got another $1. So let me add that right there. Number 3 just got a quarter. So I will add that to its list. So we are now at 50 cents for that one. Okay. And number 4 got 3. And now, because it had 75, so we can take 1 and give it $1. And then mark this down to 50 cents. Because we were able to take 1 from its leftovers. So, awesome. That's good. I like that. Alright, number 5. Finally getting some love in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it got $1, and then it has 25, and that's gonna get added to its leftovers, which will make that 50 cents. So, alright, that is updated now. And last but not least, number 6. Kind of steal all the prop money today. 1, 2, 3, 4. It had a 25-cent left over, which means that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it actually got $2. Alright, awesome. I'm feeling good about that. I'm kind of sad that my other ones didn't get as much love, but pretty much everything got something except for number 1, which I'm half tempted because of how it's marked. Because it says save 30 with budget with Amanda, that I may go ahead and give it $1 to be able to mark something off. I think I'm gonna do that actually. Yeah, because it's struggle busing and I just want to have a good start on everything. So that's what I'm gonna do. Move this up here out of the way. Alright, so let's do this. We're gonna mark off one of the little yarn balls and my handy dandy paper clip box. My cute ones are like hidden somewhere. I literally just moved into this house about what was it? It was like in January, so I've only been here like 4 months. So everything's still kind of packed up, but alright, so we got $1 in that one. We got $1 for this one. So that is 2 strawberries. So this geese is fed. And we're gonna do 2 of these grapefruits for the other 50 cents. Alright, so now we have $1, $2, and $3 with this one. Let me just tuck it in here. I really hope y'all are hearing me okay. I don't have a microphone or anything. I also don't have my headphones in. So I'm hoping everything's like hearable, etc. This one only got 25 cents, but we did get the dollar bill from the last one. So that's good. Alright, number 4 got $1. So we are going to mark off 4 circles. Ta-da! 4 circles. And why I didn't go ahead and take out paper clip for you, paper clip for you, and paper clip for you. I'm really thankful for all my subscribers and people who take the time to watch my videos and support me and download stuff off of my Ko-fi. I am incredibly thankful. And I just want y'all to know that. This is $1, so we're gonna mark off 4 paws. Almost made these 50 cents, but it's okay. It'll still be some good savings. But yeah, I'm gonna save up for a tripod unless I get blessed with one for my birthday. And then $2 for number 6. Let me add that. Oh my goodness, I have to sneeze.